How to add signature in Outlook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and log into your account. Then click on Create Email. Then add subject. There you'll find signature option on top. Click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can edit signature name or use any two as your signature. Simply write anything like your name and then you're done. After you're done, click on Save, then go back. After going back, you'll find this kind of screen pop up again. Again, click on the signature option. You'll find saved option in there. And as you can see, it is being pasted. And that's how you add signature in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.